Arutwo 564 nio maraikitie hoya kuri bengi ya Equity mwena wa Naivasha makienda uteithio wa kurihirwo ngarama ya mathomo ma secondary. Arutwo 50 ona kuhanura uguo nio maragunikire na mutaratara wa githomo wa Elimu Scholarships na uguo gutiga magana angi matari na uteithio. Ngarama ya iguru ya muturire oroundu umwe na gutharara kwa mawira tauni-ini ya Naivasha gugicungiriria family nyingi kuhinyiririka kimbesha.
This sub-county is vast. We had 9 wards to consider for these applications, and out of the total applications received, these are the people who have been able to benefit this year.
Arutwo aingi aria maragunikire ni aria maumite icagi-ini cia tauni ya Naivasha aria maregwatire marks 280 guthie na iguru.
This is a comprehensive scholarship. Will be taking care of their tuition, their uniform, books and even transport, including also the pocket money for the 4 years that they will be in school.
Mary Wahu na Collins Apollo ni amwe a arutwo aria mekuingira thukuru kiumia giukite makiamukira mweke uyu na ngatho kuona mwihoko urarorete kuinikirira.
Nilimanage kupata 370 kama alama yangu. Nikaitwa Naivasha Girls, and I hope nikienda huko nitawork even more harder ndio niweze kutoka na a good grade.
I'm so excited because many children wanted to get this chance, but it's just by the grace of God I've got it.
Kaunti-ini ya Nyandarua arutwo 18 nao ni mahuritwo njeki-ini bengi ya KCB aya ari gatagati ka arutwo 1,000 bururi-ini aria mamukirite uteithio kuhitukira mutaratara wa githomo wa bengi ino.
We are glad we've spoken to the kids. We are upbeat that they are going to school to study well and represent the KCB brand wherever they go across the country.
Akiaria hindi ya igongona ria kurekereria arutwo aya, CEC wa githomo kaunti-ini ya Nyandarua Cecilia Kirira ni oreti anyiti itemi angi kwiyumiria guteithiriria magana ma arutwo aria matari maragia na uteithio wa gutwarithia na mbere mathomo.
Korwo tuona andu angi a wendi mwega moke other partners matuteithiririe nigetha tuhote guthomithia ciana citu tondu inyuothe gutire mundu toi bata wa githomo.
Aciari na arutwo marari na ihinda ria gukena na oho gucokia ngatho thutha wa kwamukira uteithio uyu.
Turacokia ngatho na tukoigane wega ni tondu wa mweke ucio tuhetwo. Ni tui ni wira munene urutitwo na ni turacokeria Ngai ngatho tondu turathurirwo gatagati-ini kaingi.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Ngina wa Waduro.